good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers. So in honor of that, I'm going to be doing a massive giveaway, y'all. And leading up to that, for all y'all support, I'm giving away even more value, and my team telling me it's time to start selling it now. I'm going to let the next 500 people, I told y'all that, get access to my Mastering Chart Patterns guide absolutely free. Now, it was not free for me. It cost me hundreds of dollars to get all this together, illustrators and whatnot, to, actually illustrate, what some of these patterns mean for y'all inside of this guide. That's not cheap, y'all. Now, right now, for a limited amount of time, you can get this guide for free at StockGoatClass@gmail.com. Remember, StockGoatClass@gmail.com. Do not wait. Go send that email now so that way you can get it, access to it, before it is listed for sale. So once the DecemberDeMarco.com website is up, most likely it will be, 10 times out of 10 probably for sale at that time. Now, it might go for sale right before that point, but I just want y'all to get it for free before that, so you don't even have to worry about that. So let's get into this one, y'all. How much to make $1 million if SHIB price hits that 0.001 level? So again, y'all, I got the Shiba Inu daily technical analysis report right now available to y'all for free inside of the Vegas Inu token Telegram group. The link to the Telegram is in the description section of this video, or you can go to @Vegas Inu token on Twitter and you'll see the Telegram link there. Join the community, get tapped in with the family, and also, take advantage of that free report that's there. This report will eventually be for sale, but right now you get to get it for free. So go tap into the Vegas Inu token Telegram community. So investors who took an entry position in Shiba Inu firmly believe that the token could earn them $1 million in profits. SHIB is among the top performing cryptocurrencies this year, delivering the highest returns to investors. It spiked nearly 280% in 30 days, and the stellar price rise is making investors believe the chances of turning into a millionaire with SHIB could be a reality. Shiba Inu generated more profits than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the larger crypto market combined since last month, y'all. And then imagine all those people who were hitting me up saying, DecemberDeMarco, SHIB is done, it's toast. Why isn't SHIB moving? I told you this was garbage. I told you this was trash. Now what are they saying? They're quiet, except for when we pull back 3%. Then we get them people like, I knew it was going down. It's like, relax, y'all. There's a healthy pullback that has to take place so we can refuel and go up to that next level. So the development is making the token attract heavy bullish sentiment as a new batch of investors enter its fold. Remember I told y'all that was going to happen? If we can remain, excited, hyped up about Shiba Inu as this next batch of investors come in and they look for new communities to be a part of, they'll be joining us, y'all. Also, don't forget to join the Vegas Inu token community as well. We got a lot of exciting things going on over there that you do not want to miss out on. Do not say I did not tell you. So bullish sentiments as a new batch of investors enter its fold. Not just the common investors, even top trading platforms like Robinhood have been buying trillions of SHIB tokens lately. When you see smart money doing something, 9 times out of 10, that's the smartest thing to do. You want to follow smart money. I'm not saying you got to do everything smart money does, but you at least want to follow it. So keep an eye on it. So the goal of every SHIB investor is to make 1 million or more and lead a life of financial freedom. So considering that Shiba Inu is rallying now, in this article, we will highlight a scenario on how you can make $1 million if SHIB price reaches 0.001. So Shiba Inu, here's how to become a millionaire when SHIB hits 0.001. And I want y'all to know too, at some of these price levels, I'm going to be doing some giveaways as well, y'all, on the channel here. So you really want to be tapped in and be along this entire journey here, because, at 0.001, a lot of us are going to have, some decent money, some really decent money that we can afford to, do some charity giving. You know what I'm saying? So Shiba Inu is currently trading in the 4032 price range on Wednesday. It deleted a zero during the bull run and is now consolidating in the price for another leg up. Considering that you want to make 1 million when this price reaches 0.001, you need to own 1 billion SHIB tokens in your wallet. So you need a total of 1 billion tokens right now, y'all. And also, if you want to understand more in-depth technical analysis to Shiba Inu, go to the Vegas Inu token Telegram right now and get my Shiba Inu daily technical analysis report. You can get it for free right now. It's in there already. You can go right over there. So all y'all that are waiting for the Mastering Chart Patterns guide, if you email me, you're already on the list. You do not have to worry. Don't email again because you might put yourself at the back. But all y'all that are waiting for the Mastering Chart Pattern guide, go over right now to the Vegas Inu token Telegram and get the daily Shiba Inu technical analysis report for free. It is available right now. So to reach the 1 cent, to reach that 0.001 price target, SHIB needs to rise by another 3,100% from its current range of 4.032. Spiking in price this much is not impossible because Shiba Inu has risen 85 million% from August 2020 to October 2021. Basically saying don't doubt SHIB. So therefore, to own 1 billion SHIB tokens while it's trading at the 32 level today would cost you around 32,000. This much money could get you to accumulate 1 billion Shiba Inu tokens today if SHIB price spikes 3,100% from here and reaches 0.001. Then the $32,450 invested today could turn into 1 million, y'all. That's the sauce. That's how much. Now, I know a lot of people are seeing this and saying, well, maybe, I don't have 32,000 to put into Shiba Inu. This is the way you do it. You take advantage when those prices are cheap. Yeah, right now it sounds maybe out of some people's reach, but this is why when the price is pulling back, you load the boat. Not financial advice, but you load the boat on the assets that you believe in. So when it gets expensive, it's not out of your price range. Don't let that happen to you with Vegas Inu token. Not financial advice, but go check it out right now. Vegas Inu token is extremely affordable, especially for those of y'all that truly believe in cryptocurrency. This is not financial advice. I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold, but I can tell you to go join our community and tap in and, see if it's a good fit for you. So that's all we got for this video, y'all. I got to say again, because, I had like 3 people try to comment under the video saying that, I was promoting my course or I took, too long to promote it or, y'all. I got thousands and thousands and thousands of free videos on this channel, and 90% of those videos I'm not promoting anything. So in the videos that I am, just rock with me if you rock with me. You can watch an hour, 2-hour movie, on Netflix, or not Netflix, but any on TV, and they're hitting you with all types of commercial breaks. You watching other YouTube channels, as soon as you click on the video, there's a commercial. So if I'm doing this has been 7 minutes so far, and I'm taking 2 minutes out of that to promote what we're doing, but I'm sharing a lot of free value, a lot of information to help the community, that should not be a problem with y'all. That means y'all just don't rock with me if that bothers you. So this might not be the place for those that bothers. But if it doesn't bother you, feel free to join the family, man. I love the people that support me. Let's continue getting this money. It's all about building generational wealth. Don't just take this information in for yourself. Once you learn it, spread it to the people around you, the people you care about, whether it's if you got kids now, share it with them, not just saying the complex or higher level things, but, just get them understanding about investing. You got family, parents, siblings, share this information with them. Not saying that they have to, become, degens and jump into space 24/7 like us, but you want them to at least be aware of what's taking place in the crypto landscape. So that way they aren't left behind. Think about those people who in the next 5 years will say, they finally wake up to cryptocurrency and it's one of your cousins, your siblings, but you told them 5 years prior to grab a little bag of SHIB, and now SHIB is sitting, at 2-3 cents or something like that. You know how happy they're going to be? You know how rewarding that's going to be for you as a person who helped these other people make money? That's one of the biggest accomplishments I have, is how many people on this channel that I've helped make money, and also helped educate. That's a very rewarding, accomplishment. So get the people educated, share this, share the video out, share, the other videos, go back and watch the other videos. If you haven't seen, all my videos, you definitely need to get caught up on about the last, for the ones that I got to take it easy on, I'll say at least the last 20 videos. If you're one of those ones that really get in the trenches knee deep and you're willing to, go to battle, you need to catch about the last 40 videos, man, to get brought up to speed. So that way you're all the way there and knowing what's taking place and where we are right now at this point. You could binge watch Netflix. You could binge watch, sports games and all this other stuff that we spend our time watching. Binge watch something that will help your financial future. I'm DecemberDeMarco, DecemberDeMarco.com. Coming soon, y'all. I need y'all to drop in it. Spam the comment section with DecemberDeMarco.com if you rock with me, man. I need y'all to do that. Coming soon. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are